Hi guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a 512 gigabyte and the battery is the capacity is 84% and 1025. And you can see this is iPhone 15 Pro CH, and CH means this is China version, and this capacity is 512. Also, this is dual SIM card. This is the first one. This is the second one. Also, this unlocked one, the no SIM card restriction. This is SIM card slot. Okay. You can see the charging port, the beautiful charging port, no scratches. You can see overall good condition. Okay. Okay, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about this. And if you want to buy this model, you can add my WeChat, add my or WhatsApp. I will send the price list to you. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and a lot of different conditions and different colors you can choose. Okay. This one is also a China version. You can see 87% and the cycle count 823. And here's another one. Let me show you. This is also 87 and 732. Okay. Let me show you. This is 15 Pro. 15 Pro. This is 15 Pro 256 gigabyte, 84%. Okay, this is 14 Pro 128 gigabyte, 78% the battery capacity. Okay, this is a video. If you like, you can add my WhatsApp and subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you in the next video.